Like I'm ready. All right. Okay, market open, baby. Let's go. Right now we have United Airlines. Everything looks a little low. Might be in bounce territory though, to be honest. God bless me. Coinbase has some movement. Market rebounding as of right now. Let me throw the market up here. That's probably the most interesting one as of right now. XOM, hard body consolidation. Super consolidation here. Palantir is actually looking, it's like the only one with a good chart. And it actually is starting off pretty strong. I might get in on second movement of Palantir, but then again, if the market starts going down, it's a hard decision. Meta looks low. I might get this Meta. Wow, really? Meta continuation to the I kind of like this. I'll give it 55.35. That's 20 shares. 20 cents, I mean. Do we break here? I need a little more than that. I need a little more than that. Patience. Not a lot of patience. Okay, I could have gone in a little earlier, but we're good. Throw the stop in. I could even lower this stop, honestly. I mean, raise the stop. So it won't hurt as much. All right, we got some decent continuation here. Definitely what you want, but we're not out of the woods yet. This could easily bounce back. We're getting the same thing on the market. Let me pull that up. Similar looking thing, so that's not bad. All right. So decent start. We're not moving. We're not touching our stop loss yet. Let this thing ride. At a certain point, I will adjust the stop loss so that I won't lose any money if the trade goes south. All right, I just want to pull up my phone so I can see what you guys see. All right, nothing to panic at over here. Decent entry. Decent follow through. If we get a market bounce, then we get a market bounce. There's nothing you can do about that. I'm not losing much here. I actually went in kind of light, so that's alright. If this stops out, I could live with it. But if this falls back down, I'm re-adding. If for whatever reason this green bar runs out of gas and we get back in there, I'm getting back in there. That's looking like it might drop too. Alright. This stop is a little low, but it's alright. Worst case scenario, I just re-enter. We got a heavy drop on Tesla. SPY is looking like a drop. Hold on, we're about to get in this. Come on. Alright, we're in SPI a little bit. Let me protect myself here. Also. 2 trades at once. I don't like to do this all the time. Definitely shouldn't, but it's okay. We're going in fairly light on both of these plays, so that could be alright. The market, I almost want to double down. Meta is reversing, right? So we're going to add a little on Meta here. 200 shares. Because that is a big reversal. Keep our stop exactly where it is because we already went in light to start with. So readjust. Decent little trade here. I never pulled up my video. Hold up. Follow through on the SPY. I almost want to go in a little heavier. But that might be a mistake. All right. Let's go, baby. So far, so good. We're in 2 trades at the same time. We almost got stopped out of this meta trade, but then it completely turned around. What a beauty. You'll love to see that. So hopefully this means things are about to drop. You know, essentially the idea is that there was some buyers, but they got wiped out. That's the idea here. Second bar forming here. I have half a mind to put a stop. If there's a continuation bar, we're moving the stop. I almost want to get rid of this because of how... Yeah, there we go. Alright, continuation on SPY. I'm moving the stop down just to protect myself a little bit. Maybe above this green bar so I don't get shaken out. Now for Meta, I'm going to leave my stop here because this is such a powerful bar that I don't really want to go. Worst case scenario, 2835 looks okay. But still, that's in like shakeout territory. I'm okay with taking a full L on this just because of how strong this bar is. I don't want to get stopped out of a potentially good scenario. So we'll see here. If it bounces, bro. What are you going to do? Tesla was a good one. Let me show you guys Tesla. I was watching Tesla when it did this little bar right here. I saw this little bar right close to the 8. I swear I was going to put a short right here. And look at this giant. Oh my god. That would have been very nice. Looks like the other plays are working out so far, though. We're not adjusting any stops yet. I need to see a little bit more cash. Nice follow through on SPX. Should have went more. I should have put more. I should have put more money. Meta is my bigger trade, so I want Meta to work out. But SPY was just dipping my toes. Let me show you guys the 5-minute here. Having these moving averages is so annoying though, because it makes this chart hard to see on the computer. But Meta, we have a little continuation. No, see, it's not really continuing yet. If this like flows, I'm readjusting my stop right here to 28.20. If we get a real flow from here. Is that it? That's a flow. That's a flow if I've ever seen one. Attaboy. Alright, we're going to take a little bit off at plus 200. If not, we are... Yeah, here we go. How much am I taking off? 200 shares. Nothing crazy. Beautiful. SPY's dropping hard. About to take off half of SPY as well. I gotta readjust my meta stock to my stop because I have less shares now, so I gotta change that stop. Beautiful. All right, SPY, we got our shares out here. Boom. Continuation. Now this is getting a little farther away, so I might start going bar for bar at one point. This is what sucks about going in light, man. I could be up a lot more money. I could be up so much more, but I wanted to. It was a bit of an unsure market today. You know, the news was bad, but you're never really too sure. It could be bounces, but it looks like no, the news is bad, and it's bad for a reason. It looks like the market's backing up the bad news. So now Meta is a bigger position, so I have more shares to take off at some point. So if we get another couple of drop, if we get another flow, some sells, I'm gonna take more of my position off. Because it's looking to slow down a little. But you never know. No one knows. No one knows here. Welcome to the stream. If anybody is in here watching, I appreciate it. I hope everyone's having a wonderful evening. If you guys are trading, let me know what you're trading. And let me know what you're trading, and I'll take a look at it for you if you'd like. All right, so this is enough money for me to move my stock. And I'll take off just 100 shares just because I want to, bro. I have to kind of stay active sometimes, so we're just gonna take 100 shares off. Hopefully this hits. Oop. We didn't get that. Are we getting the bounce? The dreaded bounce. We're getting a little bit of a bounce on SPX. I definitely need to lower this stop here. Just above V. We'll put it 200 flat. Come on, give it to me. Damn it, it's not giving me 200 flat. That's gonna piss me off. I'm gonna have to put it in the machine now. There's no way I'm going 201. That's such bad luck. Straight 200. All right, boom. Meta might give me another shot at this take profit. I'll be right back. Come on, Meta. That's crazy. Why would you do that? All right, we're about to be out of Meta. I would have liked to have taken a little bit of that off, but I'm okay with this. Well, I shouldn't speak too soon. We might not be out of Meta. I don't know here. I could move this stop up because this 8 is here, but I just don't really feel like holding onto this too much longer. I think we're a little low in the market, and bounces are bound to happen. Look at this continuation. So we're moving this stop all the way down here. We have a continuation bar off this, ignoring this green here. I'm totally okay being stopped out above this bar. Look like we're out of Meta. Up 150, that's all right. Oh, we're out of both. Wow, 300 on the dot. What's going on here? Okay, well, look at that. Both of these kind of pumped at the same time. That's all right. 150 on each is incredible. How did I do that? That's weird. All right, but we're okay with this. Up 300, 150 each on each of these trades. Unfortunately, I really did go in light, but you don't really know what's going to happen, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Protect the money. Alrighty, let's see here. Anything else we could take? Xom is looking like it's about to break out, but it's not a good time to enter it right now. I don't think so. Might get whipped out of here. I mean, yeah, see, it's already having a little bit of trouble above this. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to do here. I want to, but we're not getting a real break here. This could easily just plop. Yeah, look at that. I don't know. See? Definitely having trouble. We need some decisive action here. Because I don't want to enter this and get screwed. Is that it? I think that might be it. Ah, I'm late. Hold on. No, I'm late. I'm not chasing this. I am not chasing this. No, sir. No, sirree. If it doesn't hit, that's fine with me. Yeah, that's okay. I'll live with this. I don't know. I should take this off. It's not really pumping through. It should be pumping through at this point. I'm out. That's all right. I feel like it definitely should have been pumping through this. If it really wanted to. Okay, good idea, good idea, good idea. Way to protect the money, kid. Protect the money. Let's check on the trades. Did we make a mistake here? A little bit, because it looks like to be rejecting this 8. I mean, it's unclear as of right now. Because it could just keep going up, but I could have given it, if I stayed it here at 28.20, I'd still be in this, and we might get a potential move down, but, you know, we'll see. That's just something you think about after the trade. It's hard to think about it during the trade. This, oh, look at that. Big market drop here. I don't think this is going to go lower, though, but you know what? We're not going to play any silly games here. I'm not going to play any silly little games. Tesla really dropped, damn it. Exxon was a good idea to stay out of, though, thank God. Guys, make sure you tell me my posture is good. I was looking at a video of myself earlier, and it was horrendous. Exxon, good thing I stayed out of this. Lululemon crushed. LOL. You know, I have half a mind to think that the market bottomed here. But only half of my mind. Not all of it. Damn, we got the meta continuation. That sucks. So yeah, it looks like I should have stayed in this play. 28. I moved my stop too quickly. If I would have kept it here, we're up. We're up prime time, baby. So we have 500 shares at 28. Ooh, damn, this hurts. So it's at 80 right now, 1030. What's 500 times 3, 150? I would have doubled my P&L. That's poopy. So now XOM wants to set something up, but it's not breaking this peak. Look at this rejection. It's having a real hard time up here. Probably should just stay away from that. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta stay away. This looks fake that I have a 300 P&L, bro. This looks fake. I don't know how I did that either. Something about Tesla, bro. This would be a good time to buy. Damn, Tesla is cheap. 300? Tesla's at a prime. Is that a? I have half a mind to jump in on a pop here in Tesla, but I would lose a lot of money really quickly. It's pretty. It's still an expensive stock. 100 shares will go fast. 100 shares, you lose $100 quick. On this big ass stock. Go down to the one really quick. 1 minute follow through. Xom's breaking out. Somewhat, we'll see. It looks like it's breaking out. We don't know if it is. Okay, Tesla is dropping a little more, so I feel better about not getting in this. I still have half a mind to get in on it on a scalp. 384, is that what you want, Tesla? You want 384? Is that what it is? I think these people want 384, bro. Let's see. Did they get it? I don't know if they got it. Nah, it doesn't seem like it yet. Oh, XOM completely. XOM got shut back down. XOM got shut back down. No, this is Qualcomm. XOM. Where the hell's XOM? Oh, right here. Boom. I don't know if they got it yet. Nope, they didn't get it yet. There we go. All right. Are we pushing back up? Let's see. What do we got here? We pushing past 384. If we push back up 384, I might be in this. Come on. Oh, we're in there. Come on. Get me in. Get me in. All right, setting my stop. This is going to be a quick one. This is going to be a quick one. Three, 8, 3 point. Come on, baby. Don't do this. Don't do me like that, Tesla. Continuation. Yep. Come on, green bar. Push. No. Push. No, no new low. Stop it. Oh, I was too early. I was too aggressive. Don't do it. Find the strength, Tesla. Find the strength, sir. Come on, baby. We need this break here. No, wrong way, dude. We need this break here, this big break here. Damn it, it's going the other way. Yeah, I have lost faith. Have I? Yeah, I think I've lost faith here. Yeah. This should have cracked already. Yep, okay. That should have cracked already, that's fine. That's cool. It's probably gonna crack now, but whatever, we'll see. I might jump back into it. Oh no, you got me when I wasn't in the play. You really shook me out, huh? Don't shake me out again. That would suck. Don't do me twice. Do do do. 3 point. Pretty close to my last. I had a better entry the first time, but we're all good. Damn, Tesla, you really did me like that, huh? You shook me out at the very bottom. At least I got back in. We'll see here. I mean, still not sure if it was the best idea to get back in. The 5 minute doesn't look too bad here, though. If we get some decent movement, I'll be okay with that. Not looking too strong, but what can you expect? We gotta wait this one out. The bounce will come, the bounce will come. We'll know. We did get a lot of drops here, though, so let's see. If we get back to this 8 on the 5 minute, that'd be huge. So we just gotta be patient on this one. Wait it out. Let us do its thing. Potentially. No rush, brother. No rush. If I love you less. I mean, if this is the low of the day, that'd be sweet, dude. That'd be sweet. We get anywhere back up here, dude, we are freaking chilling. Absolutely chilling. I would love this red bar here to get taken out. That'd be nice. Get a continuation. No, not that way. Not that way, you nincompoop. If I love you less. Alright, we'll see here. Nothing we can do but wait. Let's look at some other stuff so we don't go crazy here. Guys, if you have anything you want to look at, shout it out. So XOM, damn, XOM's annoying me because... Let's see. I'll go back to the 2 minute on here because this is what I remember seeing, something like this. It's not very clean, but it did go up. And sometimes that's all that matters. What else do we got here? Oh, Tesla. Okay, not bad. Let it do its thing. Get back up to here, 388. How about that, 388? That's not bad. We're back on the 2 minute here. 2 minute looks a little better, but it doesn't matter what you're looking at. The stock's gonna do whatever it's gonna do. We just need some bounce. Just need a little bit of bounce. If we get up a little higher, I'll go break even so I don't lose any more. Tesla did eat into my profits. I'm not going to lie to you. Tesla did eat into the profits for the day, but hey, it happens. It definitely happens. Let's get a nice strong bar here. Yep, that's a good start. I'm not going to move my stop yet. I'll let this 2 bar close. I might move it a little. Let's see. What's a nice cute number? I do like at the bottom of this doji. Because ideally I wouldn't want it to go past that. So that's okay. Alright. Strong movement. This is what you want to see. Close like this and we might be in business. Watch my trade, everybody. Yep. Not bad. I'm going to let this bar close, then we're going to move the stop to the bottom of the bar there. Watch my trade, guys. I'll be right back. Alright. Bar closed. Pretty strong. I will pretty much put it break even. If I lose, I lose. We lose, we lose. If this bar starts to flush, though, new stop's going to be the low. Would this be considered a flush? The world may never know. But it looks pretty good. It looks like a lot of other stuff is kind of pumping too. So I don't want to go too move my stop too much because we got to let it breathe. I do have the option of taking half off. Now that is something I should consider. I think if we get a decent flush here, we're at least taking half off. I have 200 shares. I could take off 100 here. I think I'm feeling it. There we go. That just really takes a lot of stress off. Makes you just feel a little bit better about these kinds of things. So my realize is a little bit more back to normal. And now we let it do its thing once again. Let the market jump. pump, as they say. Once again, though, welcome to the stream, everybody. If you guys are new, shout it out. Let me know if you want to take a look at a stock that you're currently watching. Yeah, so the thing about the 5 minute is that this 8 kind of caught up, so we don't love that. We don't love that. That doesn't mean we're gonna do anything too irrational. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, I guess I got stopped out. That's okay. That was like a ghost stop out, but that's all right. It seems like we're selling off here again. Big sell off in the market. Right off this 200, right off the 20. Picture perfect big bar. Tesla's continuing down. Now, do we go back into Tesla? Is that the thing? Because I don't think this has much more drop in it. Famous last words. Right when they freaking got my stop, bro. Market is dropping, though. If we get a... We're getting the flush that I was just about to say. If we get... Almost want to jump in really quick. Just like a tiniest little scrapey, scalpy, walpy. Just a little scalpy, palpy. I want it. I want it. A little scalpy, palpy. Come on, how much lower can you go? Let's be real here. Don't answer that. Don't answer that and just pump. Don't answer that, Tesla. Don't answer that. Shit. As soon as I decide to sell this is when it's going to pump. That's why I never sell. Alright, so stop's going to be the low of that. Whatever that just was is my line in the sand. Which is about to get hit right now. Hold on. The low is 6.5. 382. 6.5. Line in the sand. Don't go lower than that. It's about 2. Don't do it. I'm not losing much here. It's fine. I would just prefer it not to do this. I'm on Tesla. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine, because now it's going to pump. Son of a gun. I don't want to implode on live stream right now, because I'm just going to chase this all day. There's no way I'm imploding. Ah, you son. I hate you. It's got me again. These guys are smart, bro. The freaking the people that play Tesla, it's just too advanced for me. I'm too stupid. They're too advanced. Did this hit? This didn't even hit 50, so I probably could have put 2.8. I almost wanted to put 2.8 250. I really did. But you never know. It could. This honestly could just keep dropping. The thing is, like, look, it's coming off this 8 on the 5 minute. But if we get like a dip and then a pump, I'm gonna get back in this. Like if this dips a little and then comes back up like it's been doing, we're gonna try again. Just a little scalp. So we get a flush and then a push, because that's what this thing has been doing lately. ready. Like I'm ready. Come on, do your thing, Tesla. Take everybody out. You won't get me this time. Oh, you won't get me this time. Okay. Flush. Flush, flush. Flush, flush, flush. And then we keep flushing. Oh, shit. Fuck. No. Oh my god. The flush never ended. Fuck. Just kidding. I'm too smart. I'm too smart. I know that it's coming right now. Now the pump is coming. I think I'm done for the day. If this doesn't work, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna call it here. I'm too smart for you, Tesla. Oh, market's dropping. Oh, great heavens. Imploding live. That's right. I'll give it 100 P&L. There we go. All right, that's going to be the stop loss right there. All right, I got to go though.